Hello everyone, today we will start exercise 9.1. Okay, 9.1. Okay, I already told that we can find unlimited number of rational numbers between any two rational numbers. Means between two rational numbers there are what? Unlimited number of what? Rational numbers. Okay, now let's start question number 1. Exercise 9.1, question number 1. Okay, list 5 rational number between -1 and 0. Okay, -1 can be written as -1 upon 1 and 0 is written as what? 0 upon 1. Okay, here we make denominator 6 because we have to find 5 rational number. You can take any. Okay, now here -1 into 6. Here 1 into 6, this will become -6 upon 6. Here 0 upon 1, 0 into 6. Here 1 into 6, this will become 0 upon what? 6. Okay, now we have to find what? 5 rational number. So -5 upon 6, first one. Second, -4 upon 6. Third one, 3 upon 6. Fourth one, -2 upon 6, and fifth one, -1 upon 6. Okay, this is the answer. You can also make this in the standard form or simplest form. Okay, this is also correct. Okay, now second one, list 5 rational numbers between -2 and -1. Okay, again you can make denominator 6. Now -2 upon 1 into 6 into 6, this will become -12 upon 6, and -1 upon 1 into 6 into 6, this will become -6 upon 6. Okay, so 5 rational number between -2 and -1 are what? -11 upon 6, -10 upon 6, -9 upon 6, -8 upon 6, and -7 upon 6. Okay, there are unlimited numbers. Okay, this is not necessary that my answer and your answer will same. Okay, now come to the third one. Now see, -4 upon, list 5 rational numbers between -4 upon 5 and -2 upon 3. Okay, see, you have to take what? LCM of 5 and 3. The LCM of 5 and 3, this is rough work, don't write. That will come 15. Okay, now you have to make denominator what? 15. So -4 into 3 and 5 into 3, this will come -12 upon 15, and this will come -2 into 5 upon 3 into 5, that will come -10 upon 15. See, in this two numbers only one number is coming. Okay, that is -11 upon what? 15, and you have to find what? 5 rational numbers. Okay, so we increase, to increase the table we have to multiply what? 9. I am going to make denominator what? 45. Okay, and this will come -36 upon 45, and -2 into 15 upon 3 into 15, this will come -30 upon what? 45. Okay, now it is easy to find what? 5 rational number between these two. Okay, that will come -35 upon 45, -34 upon 45, -33 upon 45, -32 upon 45, and -31 upon 45. Okay, This is the answer. Now come to the next one. Now you have to find 5 rational number between 1 by 2 and what? 2 by 3. Okay. So 1 by 2 is equal to 1 into 18. First you check to take LCM of 2 and 3. After that you what? See how many numbers are easily find between these two rational numbers. Okay. After that multiply. I am going to multiply with 18. This will come 18 upon 36 and 2 upon 3. This will become 2 into 12 upon 3 into 12. This will become 24 upon 36. Okay. So 5 rational number between these two are 19 upon 36, 20 upon 36, 21 upon 36, 22 upon 36 and 23 upon 36. Okay. Now come to the next question. So the next question is write 4 more rational number in each of the following pattern. Okay, you have to what? Observe the patterns. Okay, so see the pattern of this, that is, see, -3 into 1 upon 5 into 1. Okay, after that -3 into 2 upon 5 into 2. Here -3 into 3 upon 5 into 3. Here -3 into 4 upon 5 into 4. Okay, so it can be observed, that numerator is a multiple of 3. Okay, while denominator is a what? Multiple of 5. Okay, so we increase them further. These multiples are increasing. Okay, now therefore the next 4 rational number in this pattern are what? -3. See here, -3 into 4. After that -3 into 5. Here 5 into 5. Okay, second -3 into 6 upon 5 into 6. Third -3 into what? 7 and 5 into 7. Next -3 into 8 upon 5 into 8. Okay, this will become what? You will write this on next line. Okay, that is -15 upon 25, -18 upon 30, -21 upon 35 and -24 upon 40. Okay, now next one. See, similarly you have to do. Okay, see, minus 1 into 1 upon 4 into 1. Second one, minus what, 1 into 2 upon 4 into 2. Okay, this will become this. Now third one, minus 1 into 3 upon 4 into 3. Okay, so the next 4 rational numbers in this pattern are what? That is minus 1 into 4 upon 4 into 4. Second one, minus 1 into 5 upon 4 into 5. Next one, minus 1 into 6 upon 4 into 6. Next one, minus 1 into 7, 4 into 7. Okay, so minus 4 upon 16, minus 5 upon 20, minus 6 upon 24, and minus 7 upon 28. Okay, this is the answer. Okay, this is your homework and this is also your homework. Means question number 2, third part and fourth part is your homework. Same pattern, 1 into what. Okay, so these question number 2, third and fourth part is your homework. Okay, now come to the question number 3. Okay, so question number 3 is keep 4 rational numbers equivalent to minus 2 upon 7, okay, 5 upon minus 3, 4 upon 9. Okay, so I already told, by multiplying the numerator and denominator of a rational number by the same non-zero integer, by the same non-zero what, integer. Okay, we obtain what, we obtain another rational number equivalent to the given rational number. Okay, so by multiplying the numerator and denominator of a rational number by the same non-zero integer, we obtain another rational number equivalent to the rational number. Okay, so 4 what, rational number equivalent to what, minus 2 upon 7 are what, minus 2 into 2, 7 into 2. Next one, minus 2 into 3, 7 into 3, minus 2 into 4, 7 into 4, minus 2 into 5, 7 into 5. This will become what? Minus 4 upon 14 minus 6 upon 21 minus 8 upon 28 and minus 10 upon 35. Okay. So these are what? 4 rational numbers equivalent to minus 2 upon 7. If you what? Convert this rational number into standard form, you will get what? Minus 2 upon 7, and this is not necessary that you will multiply by 2 upon 2, 3 upon 3, 4 upon 4, 5. You may multiply by 99 upon 99. Okay. 102 upon 102. Okay, that is also correct. Now next one, 5 upon minus 3. Okay, so 4 rational number equivalent to 5 upon minus 3 are what? 5 into 2 upon minus 3 into 2, 5 into 3 upon minus 3 into 3, 5 into 4 upon minus 3 into 4. Okay, and last one is 5 into 5 upon minus 3 into 5. Okay, so 10 upon minus 6, 15 upon minus 9, 20 upon minus 12 and 25 upon minus 15. Okay, this is the answer. These are what? 4 rational numbers equivalent to 5 upon minus 3. Now 4 rational numbers equivalent to 4 upon 9. Okay, so 4 upon 9. 4 rational number equivalent to 4 upon 9 are what? 4 into 2 upon 9 into 2, 4 into 3 upon 9 into 3, 4 into 4 upon 9 into 4, 4 into 5 upon 9 into 5. Okay, that is 8 upon 18, 12 upon 27. Okay, 16 upon 36 and 20 upon 45. Okay, so the 4 rational number equivalent to 4 upon 9 are 8 upon 18, 12 upon 27, 16 upon 36 and 20 upon 25. Okay, now draw the number line and represent the following: 3 upon 4 minus 5 upon 8 minus 7 upon 4 and 7 upon 8. Okay, so let's start. 3 upon 4, this means what? This fraction represents 3 parts out of 4 equal parts. Okay, 4 equal parts. Therefore each space between two integers on number line on number line must be divided into 4 equal parts. Okay, so 3 by 4, this fraction represent 3 parts out of 4 equal parts. Okay, therefore each space between two integers on number line must be divided into 4 equal parts. Okay, now 3 by 4 can be represented as 3 by 4 can be represented as, okay, draw one number line. This you have to make by scale. Okay, don't make roughly. Okay, here 0. Okay, suppose here 1. Now what I told, that what it represents 3 parts out of 4 equal parts. Okay, therefore each space between two integers on number line must be divided into what, 4 equal parts. So 4 equal parts, 1 part, 2 part, 3 part and 4 part. 1 part, 2 part, 3 part and 4 part. This is 1, this means 4 on 4. Okay, here also -1, 1 part, 2 part, 3 part and 4 part. 1, 2, 3 and 4. Okay, this is 4 upon 4. So this is 1 upon 4. This is 2 upon 4. This is 3 upon 4. What you have to represent, that is 3 upon 4. So the 3 upon 4 is here. Okay, so this is the correct representation, okay, of 3 by 4. Now next one, you have to represent -5 by 8. Okay, so this fraction represents 5 parts out of 8 equal parts. Okay, and what negative sign shows? Negative sign represents that it is on the negative side of the number line. Okay, therefore each space between two integers on number line must be divided into 8 equal parts. Okay, so this is not necessary that you write this explanation. Okay, now I'm going to represent -5 by 8. Okay, 0, suppose here 1. Okay, and here -1. How many parts you have to divide? 8 equal parts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. This you have to draw by scale, okay, to measure. After that you draw, okay. Now this is -1 means what? -8 upon 8. This is -8 upon 8. This is what? -7 upon 8. Okay, this is -6 upon 8, and this is -5 upon 8. So this is -5 upon 8. Okay, so this is the correct answer. Okay, now third and fourth is your homework. Okay, if you have any query, ask me in the comment box. Okay, thank you.